If you're seeing the OneDrive.exe entry point not found error, don't worry. This is usually caused by corrupted OneDrive files, a broken Windows update, or an outdated OneDrive version. In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to fix it step by step, so you can get OneDrive working again without wasting time guessing what went wrong. And if this tutorial helps, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Let's start with the first fix. On your keyboard, press Windows+I to open the Settings app. Once Settings opens, go to Apps, then click Installed Apps. This is where you can manage the programs installed on your computer. In the search box, type Microsoft OneDrive. When it appears in the list, click the three dots next to it and choose Uninstall. If Windows asks for confirmation, go ahead and confirm the uninstall. This step removes the current OneDrive installation, which may be damaged or missing important files. After it finishes uninstalling, restart your PC. Restarting is important because it helps clear out any leftover OneDrive processes and gives Windows a fresh start before reinstalling the app. After your computer restarts, open your browser and download the latest OneDrive installer directly from Microsoft. Make sure you use the official Microsoft OneDrive download page so you get the newest safe version. Once the installer finishes downloading, open it and install OneDrive again. Follow the on-screen prompts until the setup is complete. When the installation is done, sign in with your Microsoft account. This reconnects OneDrive to your cloud storage and restores your sync settings. In many cases, that alone is enough to fix the entry point not found error and get OneDrive launching normally again. If you're still having issues after reinstalling, it usually means the problem was caused by deeper system corruption or a Windows Update conflict. In that case, you may want to check for pending Windows updates, restart again, and make sure your system is fully up to date. An outdated or partially installed update can sometimes break OneDrive components and trigger this error. Also, make sure you're not accidentally launching an old OneDrive shortcut from a broken location. After reinstalling, try opening OneDrive from the Start menu instead of an old desktop shortcut. If the app opens correctly from the Start menu, you can delete the old shortcut and create a new one later. So to quickly recap, the main fix is to uninstall Microsoft OneDrive, restart your PC, download the latest installer from Microsoft, reinstall it, and sign back in. That refreshes the OneDrive files and usually resolves the entry point not found error. If this video helped you fix the issue, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple Windows troubleshooting guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.